Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt, and in today's video I'm going to be kind of doing some test makeup, and I figured why not do it on camera. My high school reunion is coming up in about 10 days. The football game, which is our homecoming game, is actually on my birthday, which is September 27th, and our school colors were orange and white. So I went ahead and threw on a white shirt compared to the one that I had on, and I am testing out a concealer theory right now. I did record that earlier, and I'm testing the flashbackness of certain powders to see what will and will not work for flash photography for that night. I have the ColourPop white liner, what is it? Exit? In my waterline, but I have a couple of different palettes that I pulled to see what shadows I wanted to use for the look. Now we are playing a game against our rival, which is Eustis High School, which is the Panthers. We are the Hurricanes. Their colors are gold and navy blue. Our colors are orange and white. And so I have an orange shirt that I will most likely be wearing to the football game. And so I have the Aries palette from BH Cosmetics. It has this orange up here. I plan on using the Galaxy Chic palette, has the Mars shade I was looking at. The Take Me Back to Brazil has these two oranges here that I was thinking about. They might not be bright enough. And then the Jawbreaker palette has Orange Juice and Suck. So Suck is here, and then Orange Juice is down here. So I'm going to be playing with a couple of different color theories. I'm going to be using the BH shadows on one eye and the Jawbreaker shades on the other eye. This isn't like a battle of, I guess I could make it a battle of, but I just want to see how these eyeshadows are going to work and what color combinations might work for the game versus the actual reunion. And I will probably be doing tomorrow test makeup for reunion makeup and seeing what colors that I like and things like that. So starting off, I'm gonna grab my brand new Ferro brush. I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna go into the BH Cosmetics Aries palette into that Aries into the second shade, and I'm gonna put this in my crease over here. And I do have the majority of my base makeup done. Like I said, I did record another video just before this. Well, technically I recorded two because the first one was kind of long and got out of hand, and I think I'll just split it into two different videos. I think I'm going to carry this under my lash line as well. And since I already have this brush out, I'm going to go ahead into the Jawbreaker palette. Watch out, the sucker hits. I'm going to grab the Suck shade and do that on this side. And this is more the color of my school colors, but I just want to see. I know the Suck shade is a little bit more vibrant. Oh, it's also got more red in it. It's more like an orangey red. And I do have Tarte Shape Tape on my eyelids and powder over it already. And it's been on for about an hour already, so it's been there for a while. Yeah, this has too much red in it. Not quite the shade I was thinking it was. I mean, I knew it was a darker shade. Gosh darn that hair, it's driving me nuts. I'm about ready to just rip it out. It got in my way when I was doing the other video too. And it's back in my eye. Might as well keep the same shape as the other eye. We'll see if in my live stream that I'm going to be doing here in a little bit, if people notice that I'm wearing two different eye colors. Alright. I'm going to grab another Ferro brush, and I'm going to go into Orange Juice since I'm already on that eye and this is in my lap. I'm going into Orange Juice with it dry, and I'm going to plop it all over my lid. Or just have it stick into certain spots and not want to go anywhere. This is kind of a more fluffy brush, so not really ideal for shimmer shadows, but I was thinking this orange might be good for the other orange, but I think this orange has a little bit too much red in it as well. When you figure orange is a combination of red and yellow, so our orange is a little bit more on the yellow side. It does look like this shade. And if I can find the logo from the school, I will try and like put it up on the screen. Alright, I'm going into the Galaxy Chic. Wait, no. Where'd you go? I'm just gonna take the powder off on this brush. And I'm gonna go into the Mars shade here. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. Yeah, this is more the color I was thinking I wanted anyway, so maybe the BH shadows are going to be better because they're not quite as like reddish toned. I don't know. Like I said, I will leave the logo to the school up on the screen, and I will have you guys, I'll leave a poll up here, and you can vote BHI or Jeffree Star side. And tell me what you think matches the school colors better, which means I need to get this video edited and up this week. Even though I've got like 5 or 6 other videos to edit before this, I might have to just pull the card. And a whole lot of orange fallout ended up over here, so I might as well just go with it. Alright, I'm going to take the product off that brush. I don't know if I'll use it again or not. I want like a white shade. I'm going to try the one out of here, the white shade out of here. Take a little synthetic brush. I think I'm also going to put some of this in the center of my eye. Or not. Just to brighten it up a little bit. And I think I'm going to grab, you're not quite angled enough. You'll work. I'm going to grab a little brush. I'm going to go ahead and get it wet. There's a navy blue in here I'm going to grab. Alright, now to go back to the Jeffree Star palette. He's got that virgin shade in here. I'm going to grab that for the white, and I'm going to put this over here. And then in the center as well. And then I'm going to take the Jawbreaker shade and put that over it. And then taking that brush, and I'm going to go into Delicious for the navy blue. You can definitely tell one side is a little bit more orange than the other. All right, let's decorate my face with some mascara. And I just realized I had some fallout on my face. And then just combing the brows. Now the only thing is, I don't really have an orange lip color. All right, let me zoom you guys in. So BH side and Jeffree Star side. Like I said, I will put the logo to the school on the screen so you can see the color. And let me know which eye you prefer. So these are the two finished looks, BH Cosmetics on this side and Jeffree Star Cosmetics on this side. Again, the school logo will be here. Let me know, don't forget to vote in the poll up here in that little circle with the eye in it. It's called a card. Let me know which eye color you like better. These are simple. I basically used a couple of shades. I used an orange matte, an orange shimmer, the navy blue, and then the white shade to kind of give it a little bit of difference. I might do navy blue in my upper waterline, but for the most part, I'm happy with how these came out. I'm happy with how they look. I might throw some more blush on because I'm looking a little washed out. That's a little better. I might just rip the hair out too. That's driving me nuts. Anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Help me decide on whether or not you like this eye, which is my right, this is my right eye, or my left eye, or BH versus Jeffree Star, on which eye you prefer better for the football game, for the homecoming game, for my 20th reunion. And leave suggestions in the comment section down below what lip color you think. This is just Root Beer Float from NYX. It's what I already had on. I don't really have an orange lip color besides the one from Physicians Formula in the shade Bayos, and it's not really, it's kind of a coral shade. It's not, and it's very sheer. It's kind of like a gloss. So let me know some suggestions you think, and if you want to see like swatches or something, I can do those on like IG stories, and you guys can help me vote there. So anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. I will see you guys in another video tomorrow. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.